Adam Livingston here saying this is one of the biggest Bitcoin milestones ever recorded. Vanguard controls the deepest pools of long-term capital. Vanguard sets fiduciary norms for advisors. Vanguard inclusion unlocks 401k flows. Vanguard normalizes Bitcoin in default portfolios. Vanguard accelerates benchmark-driven adoption. Vanguard creates supply-driven price repricing. Vanguard signals the end of institutional resistance. This is a structural transformation of Bitcoin's relationship to global capital markets. Bitcoin is entering the phase where price discovery is driven by long horizons, sticky institutional investors instead of retail speculation. This is the transition from early adopters to systemic integration, and it's irreversible. There you go. How much Bitcoin exposure that institutions wanted has already been met by BlackRock and Fidelity? Probably a lot. Now, Vanguard controls around 10 trillion in assets under management. If 1% of that money that they control comes into Bitcoin, it's $100 billion in inflows. If 0.1% comes in, that's $10 billion. There's not that big of amount of money, but But Vanguard is not opening the door just for Bitcoin. They're going to do Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and Solana right out of the gate. Not bad. That's a lot of potential money flowing into all these different altcoin products, man. It's big news. Vanguard launched crypto ETFs for their $11 trillion in assets under management clients right at the start of the bear market. So they can just screw everybody. Yeah, buy Bitcoin at $8,000. Send it down to 40K, you motherfuckers. Go Vanguard.